Okay, now I want to show you guys me using this marble. I sprayed it in the, or actually I used a tiny few drops in the spark plug hole. I used a tiny little funnel I have for this. And I took a clean peroxide bottle and we're going to use it just like we did the CRC. And I took some before pictures. Okay, I already poured some in here. Actually, it looks like I need a little more. Okay, there we go. Now we are going to see what the marble will do. Yeah, that fell on the ground, so I will not be using that little seal for that. Put this back on here. Let's spray it down the intake now, and let's see what this can do versus the CRC and all these other products that we're going to try, except we're not putting none of these products in the gas tank. We're going to do it straight down the intake, and we're going to see just how well it does the combustion chamber when it's 100% product less the tank full of fuel, which to me you should be able to get a lot better results, a lot more potent. Let's find out. Let's start this vehicle up. Okay, now let's finish using this marble mystery oil. Try not to get chopped up by the fan. Alright, let's run this RPM up a little bit while we do this. Okay, and like I said, we took out the filter, as you can see right there. There's the filter. And it looks like we've used about 8 ounces worth of marble. Now we're going to let this run for a moment. We also have bottles of sea foam and some other nice products to test out. And I'm going to run this borescope down in here. Already done the before. Now it's time to do the after. So let's see what marble mystery oil can do. We'll let it heat soak, start it back up, kind of like with the CRC, run it down the road a few miles, pretty high speed, get the RPM up and see what happens.